Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. Well, really, today I'm here to show you how to do this quick, easy, pretty pastel Easter eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I did it, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I already primed my eyes and I used the Morphe eyelid primer. So I'm gonna be going in with a couple different palettes, I think, but I think the main one I'm gonna use is the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I wanted to go for more of like a pastel purple look, so I think the main color I'm going to use is this purple color, Gumdrop. And then for the brow bone, I'm going to go in with the shade Exposed from the Mini Controversy palette. So let's go ahead and do those first. So I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush and I'm taking the ColourPop E1 brush and I'm going to take the shade Exposed from the Mini Controversy palette and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Go ahead and scoot in a little bit closer so you guys can see.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer.
Okay, now that the brow bone is done, let's go in with the Jawbreaker palette and we'll take the shade Bubblegum, this pink color, and we're going to put it a little bit under our brow bone and a little bit in the crease. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M321 brush.
Fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper.
Okay, I think that's looking really pretty. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Gumdrop, that purple color. And we're gonna put that all over our lid. And I'm gonna be taking the MAC, I believe it says 283 or 263. I can't really read it. I've had it for a while.
Like a bellhop, yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I was
Okay, I'm starting to look like an Easter egg. Okay, now for the bottom lashes, I want to take the shade Cute. It's like this pastel, like turquoise, and I'm gonna line the inner half of my waterline, and then we're gonna go in with the shade Blue Blood from the Blue Blood palette, and I'm gonna do the outer corners of my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my lashes, my eyeliner, and my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. This is the finished look. So it's a cute little quick Easter pastel look that you can do for the Easter holiday coming up. For my lips, I used the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick in the shade Kylie Jenner. I hope you guys have a happy Easter. Today is the 2nd of April. Easter is on April 10th, so it's coming up around the corner. So I really appreciate you guys checking out my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, and I love seeing your guys' comments down below. You can click on my face when it pops up down here to easily subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my other videos on the sides and check out the ones that I've done in the past. If you turn on that bell notification, you will get notified of all the videos that I put out next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have a happy Easter. Bye.